Okay, the fifth bullet. In the fifth bullet, LAN when man is there. I've already told in my previous lectures, LAN stands for local area network, WAN stands for wide area network, MAN stands for metropolitan area network. कहाँ पे यूज होता है, क्या होता है, already I have told in the previous videos. So I'm not going in detail with all these topics as it is already discussed by me. The remaining part of the fifth bullet will be discussed now. So what is PAN? Personal area network. So personal area network. So I am covering this one also. So the topologies remain now. Okay. Bus topology, star topology, and the tree topology. What do you mean by this topology? Bus topology. Node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, and so on. There can be further more nodes also. I am discussing by taking the example of 4 nodes, 4 machines. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are machines, computers. Alright. So what happens in the bus topology? Bus topology is followed, adhered, A-D-H-E-R-E-D, adhered in a LAN. Bus topology is followed, is applicable for a LAN, local area network. What happens in the bus topology? Here the nodes are connected, individual nodes are connected to a single cable. Okay, this single cable is this one. ये हो गया single cable. So this is also called backbone. Okay, where multiple nodes are connected to a single cable, and this cable is the backbone. This cable is also termed as the backbone, and it is applicable in a LAN. Alright, so I'm going to the next one, that is the star topology. Not at all hard, all these are very easy. Okay, so I'm covering a bit first. Star topology. चार ले लिया, then you people can think चार ही होगा क्या? नहीं, पहला वाला में भी चार दिखा है, बस में भी, तो इसमें भी चार ही दिखा रहा है, ऐसा तो नहीं है, 5 भी हो सकता है. So I am taking 5. Okay, 5 individual machines I am showing. 5 different nodes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, and node 5. Here the individual nodes are connected to a central machine, server, जो भी बोलिए. Okay, and again this is star topology. This topology is again applicable for a LAN, local area network में this topology is used. Okay, this topology is applicable for a LAN. Here the individual nodes, individual machines are connected to a central node, central machine. Alright, so this way in detail about bus and star topology. Now remains the last topic, that is tree topology. So I am rubbing it out and I am explaining what do you mean by tree topology. पूरा पूछ देते हैं, बोर्ड को क्लियर करके फिर कर रहे हैं. With this tree topology, the 4th and the 5th bullet of your syllabus are covered. Okay, before this, one more point. Star topology, your previous drawing was there. You can go back, rewind and see. That looks like a star. Okay, सेंट्रल मशीन था, चारों तरफ अलग अलग नोड था, इधर भी हो सकता है, इधर भी हो सकता है, इधर भी हो सकता है. इसे सेंट्रल मशीन भी बोल सकते हैं, हब, एंड हब कैन आल्सो रिसाइड हियर. ओके, सो हब इज कनेक्टिंग ऑल दिस नोड्स, नोड 1, नोड 2 एंड सो ऑन. सो स्टार जैसे दिखता है, इसलिए नाम पड़ा इसका स्टार टोपोलॉजी. ऑलराइट, सो फाइनल वन, द ट्री टोपोलॉजी. नाउ व्हाट इज द ट्री टोपोलॉजी? ये कहाँ पे एप्लीकेबल होता है? So I'm just explaining in these videos, only explanations are done, and for notes you'll be getting separate PDFs. Again, now and then I'm saying the same thing. So tree topology is applicable to corporates, databases. Okay, जहाँ पे डेटाबेस मान लीजिए कुछ है, बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जहाँ पे बड़ा सा डेटाबेस, दे आर स्टोरिंग डेटास, इंफॉर्मेशंस, रेलिवेंट इंफॉर्मेशंस अबाउट देयर कस्टमर्स हो गया, कुछ हो गया, क्लाइंट हो गया, यूनिवर्सिटीज आर स्टोरिंग द इंफॉर्मेशंस अबाउट देयर स्टूडेंट्स. ऑलराइट, सो बड़ा वाला नेटवर्क और कॉर्पोरेट्स दे यूज दिस ट्री टोपोलॉजी. ओके, उन लोगों का जो कनेक्शंस होता है, उन लोगों का जो नेटवर्क होता है, उसमें ट्री टोपोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल होता है ज़्यादातर. ऑलराइट, सो इन ट्री टोपोलॉजी व्हाट हैपेंस? In tree topology, this is the tree topology. Okay, so I think this figure is not clear, तो इसका डिटेल पार्ट पे जाएंगे. तो डिटेल फिगर क्या है? स्टार टोपोलॉजी कैसा होता है? नोड 1, नोड 2, नोड 3, नोड 4. दूसरा एक स्टार बना दिया. सेंट्रल मशीन, that can also be a hub. Machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4. Star 1 connected to this cable. Star 2 get connected. Okay, they act as if the branches of a tree. This is a tree, and इस tree का ये हो गया branch, ये हो गया दूसरा branch, like this. That's why the name came as tree topology, which is mostly applicable in corporates or large databases. That much. With this, we conclude the fourth and the fifth bullet in this today's video. All right. Thank you for watching.